Here is one of the most in-demand work-from-home jobs that nobody talking about. A couple days ago, I put out a video talking about how I got my new work-from-home job. Now, this position, in my opinion, is like in demand, right? Like a lot of companies are looking for the job that I just got. And that work-from-home position is an appointment setter. All right. Now I'm gonna tell you first of all what an appointment setter is and why it is in such demand when it comes to work from home jobs. Now, what is an appointment setter? An appointment setter is basically the middleman between a lead and a sales closer. All right. So an appointment setter job is to get a warm or a cold lead to the point where they're like, you know what, I want more information. I want to talk to a team leader. I want to talk to a salesperson about this opportunity, right? And in most cases, an appointment setter gets paid a nice commission, or like me, you can get paid hourly and then earn bonuses on top of your hourly pay. Why is being an appointment setter such an in-demand job? I'm gonna tell you right now, because so many people have appointment setters. So many companies and business owners, they need appointment setters, right? Because usually companies like, fitness companies, make money online companies, motivational companies, they all have closers, right? High ticket closers, salespeople, right? But before people can get to them, they go through an appointment setter. And I want you to realize, why is this in such demand? Because think about all of these offers you see all over for fitness, for motivation, for making money, for starting a business, for relationships, you name it. There's big offers out there. All of these offers need appointment setters. They need closers, right? They need it. And every day there are new opportunities popping up in this industry. And it's like never ending, right? So for all these companies that are popping up, they need appointment setters. And that's where, you can come into play. The thing is, a lot of people, they never heard of an appointment setter. They don't know what an appointment setter is. But these jobs are out there. And the crazy thing is, you don't need crazy experience to get these jobs. Ultimately, what you need is the desire to go out and get this job, to be honest with you, because a lot of these work from home jobs, right? Oh, you got to be able to type a certain speed, right? You got to have a bachelor's degree. You got to have some sort of certificate, right? When it comes to being an appointment setter, basically the only qualification is you can speak English, right? And you are willing to learn and you are serious. Honestly, you know what I'm saying? Like that's pretty much the qualification that you need to be able to get an appointment setter job. And you have to be willing to, apply for these jobs. I talk about this shit all the time. People talk so much. Like, man, I really want to work from home job. I can't find one. So they sit there and they just watch YouTube videos about work from home jobs, but never actually take the time to apply. You ain't gonna get shit if you don't apply. Watching YouTube videos is not going to magically like morph a resume and send it to LinkedIn or Indeed just because you watched a video. You got to actually get on these websites, get in the legit Facebook groups that have opportunities. Go on Indeed, create an account, get on LinkedIn. This is what you need to do. Because these jobs are out there and like a lot of companies are looking for appointment setters. And you don't have to have a degree. You don't have to have a certification, right? You don't have to be able to type 50 words per minute, right? You don't. And yet you can earn some serious cash. And a couple more benefits of being a work from home appointment setter is, one, a lot of companies will allow you to create your own schedule. Like I'm on an actual schedule, but I picked it. You know what I'm saying? Like I pretty much just picked my hours. Some opportunities you can literally just do it whenever you want, right? But the second perk is like you can work from wherever you want. And I talked about this before. I gotta get a new laptop, but once I get my laptop, I can work, my appointment setter job, when I'm on vacation before we go out. You know what I'm saying? I can get on there and work. When I'm going to see my sister in Arizona, take my laptop. I don't have to call off or anything like that. I still can get my work done. So that's another perk of being an appointment setter. So if you are serious about working from home and having a little bit of flexibility and having some real earning potential, you might want to check out being an appointment setter.